Hello. Today we are doing the blindfold art challenge for the teen program. So Julie is going to be painting while she's blindfolded, so obviously she cannot see anything, and then I'm going to do the same thing, and we're going to see how wonderful or not wonderful this is going to be. And if you guys like this, then we are going to challenge you to do the same thing and show us your video or your creation and just keep it going. So this should be silly.
All right. So I'm going to pick from the basket of mysteries.
We have a bunch of random objects in the basket.
Oh boy. Fire truck. Let's see if I can make it look like anything but a blob. All right, so am I holding it or?
I will hold it for you.
Okay.
And then we'll move this that way.
Can't forget the main purpose.
Nope. Cannot forget that. Hopefully you can see. Don't mind us, we're just moving everything all over the place. There we go. At this angle, I think they can see what's happening real good too.
Okay.
Let's scoot you a little to the left, like the whole situation. Okay, there you go.
Aha, paintbrush.
Paintbrush. And then red.
Seems fitting. Oh boy, here we go.
Your paper is right here. Do you want it sideways or landscape or portrait?
Landscape.
Okay. I will hold it for you. I'm to your right a little bit more.
Okay.
Here's the edge right here.
Hopefully that's a square. No, I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
That's okay. Just stuck my finger in your paint.
And I did too.
Gorgeous.
Thanks.
Wheels?
I'm going to do a fireman because I'm feeling confident. All right.
You done?
I'm done. I think I'm done.
All right. Fire truck and man.
Oh boy. Wheel. All right.
All right. Is that one the one I'm
Yep,
doing? Okay.
that's yours.
Awesome.
I'm going to put this on instead for a sec.
Oh, we only got one thing of paint on the ground.
So beautiful. Caption this.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have to take your glasses off too.
I do?
Oh, you can't. You can put the blindfold over your glasses?
I think so. Yep, I can. But
Perfect. What is it? Giraffe! Yes! Giraffe! I can't wait. I'm very excited about this.
oh, goodness. Go. Do everything blindfolded. Yeah, I can't really. I can see the bottom, like down there, but I will take it off. Oops, now it's too loose. Where's that beautiful, beautiful shield?
Right here.
The shield? Oh, thank you. I'm all looking everywhere for it, and it's right there. Just put it.
Almost. Yeah, there you go. And then. Right?
Portrait, please.
Isn't it like just to start is like what?
Oh. Are we going?
We're going.
All right. I have no idea.
Oh, that's smart. Be able to see where the paint is.
Maybe.
Well, you kind of ran out of it after the head.
Oh. I don't even know where the head is anymore. Where's just start over again.
That's much better. More paint. What kind of Picasso giraffe is this?
I told you I am not at an advantage anymore. I gotta do the danglies. Oh crap! I almost. And then it has a really long black tongue. Oh, I gotta do it spots. All right.
You nailed it.
Oh Lord.
Giraffe. A modern work. I love it.
That is something.
It's definitely, you have created something. Definitely.
Oh, put this thing back on. All right.
All right.
So there you have it. We have this thing.
That's a giraffe. It's a kind of a jester giraffe because he's got the hat.
Yes.
And then this, which is obviously a fire truck.
Obviously.
Yes.
So we challenge you guys to make your own blindfold art. And then just...
You can email us a picture at Lake Hazel Library at adalib.org, and we'll see your stuff then.
Yes. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.